Good morning, grade ones. Did you know it was so cold in South Africa last week that in some places it snowed? Have a look at these two pictures, one in KwaZulu-Natal and one in the Eastern Cape, where snow fell last week. Because it was so cold last week, we decided it was the perfect time to introduce you to this new sound. Let's have a look at it together. Our new sound is O, blow the snow. Have a look at this picture. I imagine this to be a polar bear cub. He's having fun in the snow and he is saying, blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Our sound today is O, as in blow, or snow, or flow, or show. O. When we look at this side of our speed sound card, we say O. Two letters that make one sound, O. These letters are special friends. Right, now we're ready to practice. Let's do my turn, your turn. Are you ready? Awesome. My turn, O. Your turn.
O.
Fantastic. My turn, blow the snow. Your turn.
Blow the snow.
You are doing so well. My turn, O. Your turn. O. Last time, my turn, blow the snow. Your turn.
Blow the snow.
Let's sound out some words together. Don't forget to sound them and then say them. Here we go. B-L-O, blow. Next one. S-N-O, snow. G-R-O, grow. Last one. Sh-O, show. Brilliant. All right, everybody. Please will you get your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker and let's have a go at writing our O words. Remember, all our words will have our new sound O in them. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first word is snow. S-N-O. It's got three sounds. See if you can write it. S-N-O. Snow. Let's put our sound buttons in. S-N-O. Three sounds, so three sound buttons. Did you get that? Well done. Next word. Let's try the word grow. How many sounds does grow have? That's right, it's got three. Let's write it together. G, R, O. Add your sound buttons in. Did you get that? Well done. Next word. The next word I want you to write is throw. Th-R-O. Did you notice that throw has got two special friends in it? Let's write that word together. R-O. Throw. R-O. Well done, everybody. I am so proud of the way you are writing. Now, here is a challenge. Are you ready for it? Can you try and write the word window with me? Let's sound it out together. W-I-N-D-O. Window. It's got 5 sounds. Here we go. W-I-N-D-O. Window. W-I-N-D-O. Oh my goodness, you are so clever. Well done, everybody. I'm so proud of you.